Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the page color in Google Docs. It's a simple way to give your documents a little more personality, whether you want a soft background for a flyer or a bold color to highlight a cover page. First, open the Google Docs file you want to work with. Then, go up to the top menu and click on File. From the dropdown, scroll down and click on Page Setup. A new window will pop up. This is where you can adjust your page settings. Now look for the option that says Page Color. Click on the small color box next to it and a color palette will appear. You can choose one of the preset colors or click Custom to pick your own shade. Once you've selected the color you want, hit OK, and your page background will change instantly. Keep in mind, this will apply to the entire document. And that's it. Now you know how to change the background color of your Google Doc in just a few clicks. If this helped, don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.